Hi everyone, how's it going? I'm Carl if you don't know, and this is Waterside Workshop. So today I'm going to show you how to get this light. First thing you need to do is obviously turn your alarm off, open your car up. Get your boot open. In here, which I'll bring you over and show you in a sec. That's how you do it. Take this off on your shelf. Just lower that down to give you some room to get into there. And let's bring you over and show you what you actually got to take off. So if you look closely, down inside the light here, just here and here, there's either a Phillips screw or what I use is a little ratchet extension bar and an 8mm. Pop it on. Gently undo it, there's no need to force anything. Put your nut on your shelf. Same again down the bottom. Same again, put your nut and everything on the shelf. Now get your fingers in the holes, put your thumbs on top here, and wiggle, and that will release. And turn it around to the side, and next thing you need to do is release your wiring. There's a little bit here you press in, sticking up like so, you press it in. It's hard to film and show it. Basically, this piece here is like a press-in piece, and that just lifts it up and releases the connection. So next, there's your back end of your light. So that's your back end of your light. Now in here, there's some little screws. There's one up the top, one in the middle, and one down the bottom. So I'll show you how to get them out, and then we should be able to slide this system out and we'll find some bulbs. So once you've got your Phillips screwdriver, lay your light on your shelf, press fairly firmly, spin the screw out, another one in the centre. They will come undone, sometimes they're a little bit tight. Once it's all undone, start. Some of them will come out and some of them will just stay in the actual item. You've just got to start trying to release or in the edges. I've missed one on the end. For some reason I only put these 3, there's actually 4. Not a problem though, just one more to undo. With any connection, and then out comes everything. As you can see, I keep this car in really good condition. I actually get in here and I keep all these nice and cleaned up. On the ends here, where your connection's going for your wiring, keep them all cleaned up. Basically your bulbs, just push in and out. Keep all the bottom half of your bulbs all clean, a little bit of sandpaper or a wire brush, something like that. Keep them all nice and clean. Indicator bulbs. And to be fair, that is meant to be bright orange. I probably will change that while we're doing this. Same with that one, keep it nice and clean and tidy. So while we're doing it, let's go and get ourselves a indicator bulb. So as you can see, we've got ourselves a nice brand new one there. What they do is, because they dip them to put the orange colour on, and that just sort of starts to burn away after time. Put it in and turn it. Obviously we'll leave that one out. Slide it back into your casing. Just being gentle with everything. Do your screws up. Like so. So we've got an extra one here. Nice and easy to work on, to be honest. Nothing's tough, nothing's rusty, because it's basically alloy screws going into plastic. This one down the bottom is a bit of a pain. You have to just sort of hold it on your finger and line it up. As it starts in, once it's going in, that's fine, that's not a problem. And just do it up. Obviously putting it back into the car, just line everything up. This plug goes into the bottom of the light where we took it out, clip, and then gently line everything up. Around the edges you have to just knock them connections in, that makes it go tight. Put your 8 mils. Don't want to work in front of the camera. Just have to get that one in, put it in like so. Same one up the top. Do them up, but you've only got to nip them up, they're going to be like mega tight, just tight enough. And that's pretty much it. When you have got that off, if the car's all dirty and there's all like mould and green and algae and all that around, you just clean that all off while you're doing it, because then you get a better seal on your light. Whereas I didn't need to do it on mine, because mine, I always keep mine in that condition. This is one of the cars I'm doing up, and I always get them basically like brand new. As you can see, I've already restored these rear lights. But that's pretty much how you get in there, how you take them out, and that's how you change your bulb. So hopefully that helped. So like I say, all you need is a little ratchet extension bar, 8mm, Phillips screwdriver, some bulbs if you need to change them, and go from there. Away you go, like I said in the video. Okay, so hopefully that helped you. Show you how to get the light out. So just be gentle with it as you're pulling it in and out. There's 2 little balls on the end of here that pop in and out, and if you really force them, they can snap off. But otherwise, do it as I said, the 8mm, fill the screwdriver inside, lift out the casing, and away you go. So hopefully I saved you some money. Don't need to be going into a garage or anywhere to have that done. You can do it yourself and get yourself straight back on the road. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. I'll see you soon. Next video. Bye for now.